Hey team, welcome back to my channel. Let us solve another HackerRank Python problem. Write a function. Notice they want us to write isLeap. Now there are three rules. The year can be evenly divided by 4. That's a leap year. The year can be evenly divided by 100 is not a leap year. Or the year is evenly divided by 400. That's a leap year. So let's write this method. So we're going to come in here, we're going to say if, and then we're going to be using this parameter here, year. So we're going to say year, and then mod 4 is 0. So all this is testing the remainder. So send in your year, divide it by 4. If it's 0, then it's a leap year. Now we have to do one more part on this. We have to say and that year mod 100 is not equal 0. So we finished these first two rules that we just learned. Let's write the third rule, and we can say year mod 400 equals 0. Colon here, and now we're going to come into our return values. Now, an if clause with an or, that means either this side can be true. Now, if this side is true, I'm just going to say return true. Now, if this is false, I'm going to come over here and test this one, because only one of these sides have to be true for a or condition to be true. So we're going to say return true here. Now if this returns false, we just say else return false. Okay, it's that easy. Now let's go down here and test this to see if we got it right. Notice I did a custom input 1900 run code. Run code says, ooh, that's not a leap year. And here you can see I used the year 2000. 2000 is indeed a leap year.